I'm up here now in my attic, and I just want to share something with you, which I think you'll find remarkable. This is my attic there, and then if you go along, you'll find the biggest wasp's nest I've seen that they managed to build. Keep watching now. That's it there. It's unbelievable. I'm going to try and get down a bit closer to it. I think it's built by... I'll keep the light on it. Let's see, we'll try and get a bit better. Yeah, that's it now. They should be dormant at this stage. I just want to give you an idea of how big the bloody thing is, because to me it's massive. Can you see it there? It's remarkable. I don't know how long it took to build. I'm going to keep filming away as I make my way down to it. I don't want to get too close to it, because it's bloody well huge. Now, that's about as close as I'm going to get. You can see how big it is. All the way around. It must be 1 metre in length and up to 1 metre in height. And it was built this summer, and I honestly don't know what they're going to do about it. Anyway, we'll keep the light around it, try and get at it from another angle. It's all tough a minute. Genie Mac, it's just awesome. You see that? It's like as if there's plastic around it or something. That's it, it's a mother of a thing. I don't know if I can zoom in on that. Shouldn't have to zoom in anyway, it's so bloody big. Now, that's our beehive, our wasp hive that we're sharing in our home. So, tell us what you think, and thanks for watching.